What's going on, guys? Ridge Outdoors here. It's a balmy 25 degrees here in central Indiana, and we've gotten about 7 to 8 inches of snow on the ground. So I figured today was a great opportunity to shoot this video. I actually made a surprise purchase about a month ago. I've been keeping it hush hush, but I figured today would be an absolute perfect day to get it out of storage and show you guys what I got. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this content, as well as me using this item in future content as well. I've been wanting one of these forever now, and I finally had the opportunity on a pretty good deal to get one. I finally found one on Facebook Marketplace, of course, and ended up pulling the trigger on it. So I'll show you guys what I got. It's a 2018 Polaris Sportsman 1000. I believe this unit has like 328 miles on it. So it has not been used very much at all. Very low mileage, low hour unit. It's got some aftermarket goodies on it. I know it's got a lift. It's got an RJWC pipe on it, as you guys will hear in a second. It's got some Maxxis Bighorn tires on it. It's got a winch and a few other goodies I'm sure we'll find out about here soon in the rest of the video. But let me go ahead and get this thing started up for you guys. Very good. So we're gonna rip some trails and see how she handles in the snow. So as of right now, I only have one GoPro. I have my phone set up on a tripod. I'm gonna do a couple drive-bys and get some side shots of the quad so you guys can see it better on the move and kind of get a better idea of what the exhaust sounds like and stuff like that from a distance. Well guys, I know that probably wasn't the greatest video. I honestly just could not wait any longer to show you guys my new toy. There's gonna be plenty of more content on it, talking about mods, 0 to 60, top speed, all kinds of stuff of that nature. So if you guys enjoy Polaris's quads, anything of that nature, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more future content on this quad. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.